to Rejuv when some family kind of sat me down and said, you know, my health was getting out of control, and ultimately they were right about that. So I knew I needed some form of accountability because I couldn't do it on my own. So I got a trainer, and Kim and I worked together to, you know, get me to a point where I wanted to be, which was losing 50 pounds within a year. I thought that would be something that was manageable for myself, something that was going to be within reach, but I didn't want to necessarily do something that I couldn't accomplish and then get discouraged about it. So I started working with her, and after 6 months I had exceeded that goal, and I really wanted to just keep going. And a big part of what helped me in that was my nutrition, just being able to find things that I like to eat but were also healthy for me. Instead of eating fast food and eating out 2-3 times a day, find a way to cook my own meals and prepare for things in advance that were actually good for me and eat the right portion sizes. And without somebody there to help me kind of figure that out, I know I never would have been able to do that. And after 6 months, I was able to lose that 50 pounds that I wanted to lose within a year. So I took it and ran, and I wanted to keep going with it. And now I'm a year later, and I'm in the best shape I've ever been in my life. I've lost 120 pounds, and I feel better than I've ever felt.